Let's set up some string lights with uprights. This setup has 10 pieces, a lighting kit, and requires scissors, zip ties, a ladder, and 2 people. Start by holding the base plate upright, placing the bolt through the back. Line the pin to the bolt and tightly twist into place. Repeat with additional base plates and place in desired location. If needed, add an extension cord to the strand of lights. Connect these by tying in a knot. This helps prevent the lights from unplugging when raised. Place your ladder close beside the upright. Taking the end of the lights and a zip tie, hold the strand at the top of the upright. Slide the zip tie through one of the openings and around the strand. Then, tighten the zip tie to secure in place. Trim the excess for a clean finish. Carefully stretch the string lights between uprights, repeating the attachment process. Allow the strand to swag slightly between the posts. Too much tension can create damage. To raise, anchor the base with one hand and raise the top section to your desired height. To lower, raise top section, lift both latches at the joint to unlock, then carefully lower top section, releasing the latches to relock the upright. With glass lights, it's possible you break a bulb. The lighting kit provided will have additional bulbs to use if one is broken or not working. Plug your lights in and you're all set. Looking for more tutorials? Check out our website for more videos.